Legends, welcome to vlog 326 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. Today's vlog focuses on these Cornice moulding that Foreman Rocky is currently painting a base layer of white paint on. Follow us as we give you updates on this entire build here at the Dream Home Building Project in Sapian, Capiz in the Philippines. Welcome to the channel, subscribe if you are new. Legends, welcome to vlog 326 on the Miles Roldan YouTube channel. I'm Miles Roldan and welcome to the Dream Home Building Project here in Sapian, Capiz in the Philippines. As the opening segments will suggest, we're actually gonna focus today on these Cornice moulding, which at the moment Foreman Rocky is giving it a base layer of paint, and as well as that I'll also give you a bit of insight on how to install them with our new member here, Nonot. So all this being said, I hope you enjoy 326. On with the vlog. So Legends, as the opening segments of this vlog would suggest, we are painting a base layer onto these Cornice mouldings. If you're not unfamiliar with what they are, they're basically a little decoration, a little design work for each corner of the ceiling. Just adds to the edge and gives it a bit of design work. Foreman Rocky is giving each moulding a base layer just so the eventual installation is a bit more easier on the lads who are going to eventually go around and paint this entire house inside and outside. At least there's a base layer on, so we only have to do a couple of coatings on. If we head through to the main entrance on the ground floor, you'll see that Jobert and Jerson, Didon Jerson, have started the skim coat on the ground floor, so that's all taking place. And we have some more moulding here drying. So you've caught this just in time, Legends. This is the first layer of skim coat going on the ground floor. And we'll put 2, 3, even 4 layers on just to make sure that we have a nice base layer of primer before we give it a sand and a paint. We are using for paint, we are using the Boyson semi-gloss white paint Legends, just in case you wanted to know. Just give you an update on the ground floor as well, Legends. The master bedroom, or Mumsy and Daddy-O's bedroom, has also been started here on the ground floor in terms of skim coating. So they put a quick once over layer on here. So I'm sure Mumsy and Daddy-O will be happy to see that. Their room is now being started. Right, let's give you an update on the next floor up, Legends. I'll cut to a bit of drone footage or some B-roll, and then we'll give you an update on the next floor up. On with the vlog. So Legends, we're now on the second floor of the Dream Home building project. Let me give you an update on everything that's going on this floor as well. So as we enter, we're on the balcony. This will eventually be bifolding doors. And this is our small reception area. You'll see that there's already a lot of skim coat, I think multiple layers. And we've already installed the Cornice moulding on this floor. So you'll see all of the installed Cornice moulding that Foreman Rocky was painting downstairs. This ceiling still needs a skim coat. But it also looks like they've started on this room, the moulding, but they haven't finished yet. But this room has received some moulding. Let's go into the master bedroom here on the first floor, the next floor up from the ground, with Sapian not here, and he's doing the he's actually installing the moulding. So this should be interesting for you to see. It's very simple, Legends. He cuts it to size and then he just rivets it on after he's drilled a hole. We've actually caught queen or not at a very delicate level. If you imagine, this isn't just your standard straight edge. This has got a bit of detailing, which he's now really demonstrating his skill. So he gets the 45-degree angle now, legends. So, legends, you're witnessing a real treat here. You're watching Queen or Not, or Foreman or Not, really showcasing his skills here, legends. Look at that. Perfect 45-degree angles, ready for installation now. Perfect channel. If you like this sort of content, legends, we're about halfway through this vlog. Please do show your appreciation. Give us a like, give us the thumbs up. Also, think about sharing the content to your social media and to your friends and followers. And if you're new and you're enjoying this content, you obviously are. You've reached halfway through, around 15 minutes into this vlog now, so if not more, if not less. So I'm urging you to hit that subscribe button, be one of our legends. And you'll receive regular notifications on your device as of when content gets uploaded here on YouTube. Ooh, a bit of the leg action there. Look at that, legends. Nice fit. Let's stick with this, legends. I'd like you to see the riveting as well. So yeah, on with the vlog. So a little drill where the rivet will go, and then the rivet gun is used to hold it into place, and then eventually Jobert or Didong will come along and give it a bit of skim coat, and then another repaint once the painting process really begins. So it's awesome that you got to see this particular piece getting in, because I mean everything after this, legends, is a lot more simpler. So you've really You've really seen Cornice demonstrate his skill here as he puts these into place. This isn't your usual moulding, Cornice moulding. This has some cornering.
This is a very difficult part.
Oh. Keep up more, legends. Did you hear that? Say Cornice. Grabe mo English. Yeah, this is the difficult part, legends. As I mentioned, I wanted to vlog this because this isn't your usual straight edge. This is a lot of cornering, so it really does highlight the skill level here. So do give us a thumbs up, legends. Go and show us the love. If you're new, hit subscribe, be a legend. You're witnessing some great work here, legends, with very minimal tools, just pure experience, workmanship and graft. Good old-fashioned labour. No complaints. So the idea now, legends, is I'll give you an update on the 3rd floor, the top deck, and then I'll also give you an update again, or we'll check back in with the gang downstairs. So legends, we're now on the top deck here at the Dream Home building project in Sapian, Capiz, and I have the pleasure of announcing that all of the skim coat on this top floor has already been finished. And I can also say that the Cornice moulding that we have been featuring in today's vlog is also finished. So in this great area, the terrace, you'll see all of this Cornice moulding has been installed. And it looks awesome. Glorious white. The idea behind white, legends, is, I mean, I put a poll on Facebook with which quite a few of you got back to me on, and the general outline was, or the general consensus was, we keep it timeless. And what timeless than just simple white? So yeah, I totally agree. If we start putting other colours, in 5 years time it all needs an update, or you end up just being bored with it. You're going to be bored with it either way, but at least with white you can't really go wrong. You won't really end up regretting anything. But it looks awesome, legends. This space is really beginning to pop, and I'm hoping the camera is doing this justice. As you can see, the inside as well as this area here is all now skim coated, and it just gives you an idea of what the painted version will look like as well. Look, all of this has been Cornice moulded. All the Cornice moulding has been installed. I mean, this will have a big grand chandelier, as well as this bit here will have a centre piece as well for lighting. You may even put something here as well, maybe some Capiz shells or something. But this room has also been finished. So I'm sure you'll agree, legends, a lot of progress has been made in the week or so since the last vlog. I plan on also giving you an update on the electrical pole that was also erected. Let's give you an idea from up here what it looks like. Oh, can't quite see it, but I'll head on downstairs and give you an update, legends. All right, on with the vlog. Legends, we've just left the carport, and I'm just giving it a little adventure to this part of the build. Now, if you saw the previous vlog to this, legends, you would have seen that we had prepared this hole, and we have actually filled in this hole with concrete and lagbung, or dropped our post for our electrical pole that will be eventually connected to this Capilco main line. You'll see the tubes have been also allocated by our electrical team into the cavilla work, into the rebar work. So we're now just waiting to put formas on, or forms, and then we will pour concrete into this post. But we're still lacking a few members of our team, because without going into the ins and outs, we've had some issues recently, legends, hence the little gap in production of these vlogs. Due to personal reasons, it's not my place to say anything, but yeah, once our team is complete again, I imagine work will commence again with this pole, because this will be quite laborious work. We'll need the full team in for this as we mix the concrete and pour it into this pole that is formed. Okay, legends, on with the vlog. See, Bebe Ochenta is here in the ground floor in Mumsy and Daddy-O's room, continuing this skim coat, which I'm sure they'll be thrilled about. Things are progressing nicely now, legends. Hopefully we'll get back on track and these vlogs will continue to be churned out. But if you made it this far, legends, we're approaching the end of this vlog. Thank you so much. You clearly enjoyed this content, so thank you. I can't thank you enough. Please do hit that like button, share, and of course, if you're new and you haven't already, be a subscriber. Hit that subscribe button, be one of our legends. I'm truly blessed to have you on board, legends. I'll see you in the outro. Thank you so much. Legends, thank you so much for tuning in to vlog 326. 326 is in the can. Now, I had such an awesome time making it. I'm gonna go try edit it now. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button, share the content, and of course be a subscriber. Yeah, be one of our legends if you haven't already. Until next time, I hope to see you in the next vlog. 327 will be next. It's me, myself and I, Miles Roldan. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.